See, this is why she won't run. All this gunk. You should have seen what was in the bowl, but I already cleaned that up, so. Now all I've done here is this. This was jammed shut with that gel all inside. And all I've done is this a couple times. Move the float around. Get the valve moving. She's good to go. Now I've cleaned this well enough that I have no doubt this lawnmower will start right up. The air intake on this thing, I decided, looks really nasty as well, so I'm going to clean this. I've already started cleaning it, but I'm going to finish it now. For these things I just use pliers. I don't feel like digging in my big toolbox, so I run what I brung. Alright, it's all back together. And I've already been messing with it for a minute, trying to start it. So now we're just going to pretend this is the first shoot. Will it run?